Hello everyone, this is Samir from This Abroad Life. So today I'll be changing this cover of tire of my car. So I have already changed one. This is done by me, and I think I need to change other three as well because these are pretty old. So I got this rim from Super Cheap Auto, which cost I think $23 like this. So you can just use this to change the cover of your car, wheel cover. So let's do that. So at first I will need to take this out. So I'll just use this of my car, just put it over here, just do it. Thanks.
You take all of them out?
Yeah, just
Don't take it out for me? Shoot, my hands are gone.
so this you need to so this is how you fit. Everything should be inside. Space to fit this. I'll just put this over here. Make sure to put this in the correct position, which is over here. So it's also fit. So there you go guys, I just showed you how to change the tire cover of your car. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.